This is Lx600 2023. I'm going to do the spare key. This one, spare key using Lonsdor. So let's see how to do this. Go to the emo, go to Lexus, select it from vehicle, Lx600 2022 up, like 22, 23, 24. Smart key. First we can count the key, how many keys in the car. 3 keys. Okay, backup emo data. Okay, Lx600. Okay, now we are going to add a smart key. Clear. Okay, switch ignition on. Lx600, it's okay. Let's take few minutes. So current key is 3. You can press OK. Put the smart key, original one, and now put the new key. Double beep is done. That's it. Now you can see 4 keys. Before was 3 keys, now is 4 keys. Press OK. Okay, switch ignition off and check. So you can try the remote. The first one is working, original one. Second one is also working. Okay, and try to start the car. It's fine, everything is fine. So this is Lexus Lx600 2023. I did the smart key using a Lonsdor Pro. Thank you guys.